قد مكر الذين من قبلهم فأتى الله بنيانهم من القواعد فخر عليهم السقف من فوقهم وأتاهم العذاب من حيث لا يشعرون.
Surely many people before them had plotted in a similar manner to vanquish the truth, but Allah uprooted the whole structure of their plot from its foundations, so that the roof fell in upon them, and the chastisement of Allah visited them from unknown directions.
ثم يوم القيامة يخزيهم ويقول أين شركائي الذين كنتم تشاقون فيهم قال الذين أوتوا العلم إن الخزي اليوم والسوء على الكافرين.
And again, on the day of resurrection, He will bring them to disgrace and say, Tell me now, where are those to whom you ascribed a share in my divinity, and for whose sake you disputed with the upholders of the truth? Those who were endowed with knowledge in the world will say, Surely, today humiliation and misery shall be the lot of the unbelievers.
الذين تتوفاهم الملائكة ظالمي أنفسهم فألقوا السلم ما كنا نعمل من سوء بلى إن الله عليم بما كنتم تعملون.
The same unbelievers who, when the angel sees them and cause them to die while they are engaged in wrongdoing, they will proffer their submission, saying, We were engaged in no evil. The angels will answer them, Surely Allah knows well all that you did.
فادخلوا أبواب جهنم خالدين فيها فلبئس مثوى المتكبرين.
Go now and enter the gate of hell and abide in it forever. Evil indeed is the abode of the arrogant.
وقيل للذين اتقوا ماذا أنزل ربكم قالوا خيرا للذين أحسنوا في هذه الدنيا حسنة ولدار الآخرة خير ولنعم دار المتقين.
And when the God-fearing are asked, What has your Lord revealed? They answer, Something excellent. Good fortune in this world awaits those who do good, and certainly the abode of the hereafter is even better for them. How excellent is the abode of the God-fearing.
جنات عدن يدخلونها تجري من تحتها الأنهار لهم فيها ما يشاءون كذلك يجزي الله المتقين.
Everlasting gardens, that they shall enter the gardens beneath which rivers shall flow, and where they shall have whatever they desire. Thus does Allah reward the God-fearing.
الذين تتوفاهم الملائكة طيبين يقولون سلام عليكم ادخلوا الجنة بما كنتم تعملون.
Those whose souls the angel sees while they are in a state of purity, saying, Peace be upon you, enter paradise as a reward for your deeds.
هل ينظرون إلا أن تأتيهم الملائكة أو يأتي أمر ربك كذلك فعل الذين من قبلهم وما ظلمهم الله ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون.
O Muhammad, are they waiting for anything else than that the angels should appear before them, or that your Lord's judgment should come? Many before them acted with similar temerity, and then what happened with them was not Allah's wrongdoing. They rather wronged themselves.
فأصابهم سيئات ما عملوا وحاق بهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
The evil consequences of their misdeeds overtook them, and what they mocked at overwhelmed them.
وقال الذين أشركوا لو شاء الله ما عبدنا من دونه من شيء نحن ولا آباؤنا ولا حرمنا من دونه من شيء كذلك فعل الذين من قبلهم فهل على الرسل إلا البلاغ المبين.
Those who associate others with Allah in His divinity say, were Allah to will so, neither we nor our forefathers would have worshipped any other than Him, nor would we have prohibited anything without His command. Their predecessors proffered similar excuses. Do the messengers have any other duty but to plainly convey the message?
وَلَقَدْ بَعَثْنَا فِي كُلِّ أُمَّةٍ رَسُولًا أَنِ اعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ وَاجْتَنِبُوا الطَّاغُوتَ فَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ هَدَى اللَّهُ وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ حَقَّتْ عَلَيْهِ الضَّلَالَةُ فَسِيرُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ فَانظُرُوا كَيْفَ كَانَ عَاقِبَةُ الْمُكَذِّبِينَ.
We raised a messenger in every community to tell them, serve Allah and shun the evil one. Thereafter Allah guided some of them while others were overtaken by error. Go about the earth then and observe what was the end of those who rejected the messengers, calling them liars.
إن تحرص على هداهم فإن الله لا يهدي من يضل وما لهم من ناصرين.
O Muhammad, howsoever eager you may be to show them the right way, Allah does not bestow His guidance on those whom He lets go astray, and in fact none will be able to help them.
وأقسموا بالله جهد أيمانهم لا يبعث الله من يموت بلى وعدا عليه حقا ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
They swear most solemnly in the name of Allah and say, Allah shall not raise to life any who dies. Yes, He will do so. That is a promise by which He is bound, even though most people do not know that.
ليبين لهم الذي يختلفون فيه وليعلم الذين كفروا أنهم كانوا كاذبين.
that is bound to happen in order that He may make clear to them the reality regarding the matters on which they differ, and that the unbelievers may realize that they were liars.
إنما قولنا لشيء إذا أردناه أن نقول له كن فيكون.
As for the possibility of resurrection, bear in mind that whenever we do will something, we have to do no more than say, be, and it is.
والذين هاجروا في الله من بعد ما ظلموا لنبوئنهم في الدنيا حسنة ولأجر الآخرة أكبر لو كانوا يعلمون.
As for those who have forsaken their homes for the sake of Allah, after enduring persecution, we shall certainly grant them a good abode in this world, and surely the reward of the hereafter is much greater. If they could but know, what an excellent end awaits those who remain steadfast and put their trust in their Lord.
الذين صبروا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون.
As for those who have forsaken their homes for the sake of Allah, after enduring persecution, we shall certainly grant them a good abode in this world, and surely the reward of the hereafter is much greater. If they could but know, what an excellent end awaits those who remain steadfast and put their trust in their Lord.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك إلا رجالا نوحي إليهم فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون.
O Muhammad, whenever we raised any messengers before you, they were no other than human beings, except that to them we sent revelation. So ask those who possess knowledge if you do not know.
بالبينات والزبر وأنزلنا إليك الذكر لتبين للناس ما نزل إليهم ولعلهم يتفكرون.
We raised the messengers earlier with clear signs and divine books, and we have now sent down this reminder upon you, that you may elucidate to people the teaching that has been sent down for them, and that the people may themselves reflect.
أفأمن الذين مكروا السيئات أن يخسف الله بهم الأرض أو يأتيهم العذاب من حيث لا يشعرون.
Do those who've been devising evil plans against the mission of the messenger feel secure that Allah will not cause the earth to swallow them up, or that chastisement will not come upon them from a direction that they will not even be able to imagine?
أو يأخذهم في تقلبهم فما هم بمعجزين.
Or that He will not suddenly seize them while they are going about to and fro, and they will be unable to frustrate His design.
أو يأخذهم على تخوف فإن ربكم لرؤوف رحيم.
Or that He will not seize them when they are apprehensive of the impending calamity. Surely your Lord is most compassionate, most merciful.
أولم يروا إلى ما خلق الله من شيء يتفيأ ظلاله عن اليمين والشمائل سجدا لله وهم داخرون.
Do the people not see how the objects Allah has created cast their shadows right and left, prostrating themselves in utter submission to Allah?
وَلِلَّهِ يَسْجُدُ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ مِن دَابَّةٍ وَالْمَلَائِكَةُ وَهُمْ لَا يَسْتَكْبِرُونَ.
All living creatures and all angels in the heavens and on the earth are in prostration before Allah, and never do they behave in arrogant defiance.
يَخَافُونَ رَبَّهُم مِّن فَوْقِهِمْ وَيَفْعَلُونَ مَا يُؤْمَرُونَ.
They hold their Lord, who is above them, in fear, and do as they are bidden.